Hey guys, I'm back with another online demo. We are going to look at how to get code from GitHub. So you go to your classwork. This happens to be in period 3, but no matter which period you're in, the classwork tab has your GitHub repository, your class's GitHub repository in important info. So you click on that and then you click on this. And this will take you directly to your GitHub repository. So if we want to download some code from a repository that we don't own, we can hit this button and download a zip file or open with GitHub Desktop. Or if we have Git enabled in our VS Code, we can also do this. But today we're going to download this zip file. And here it's asking me how I apparently wants me to open it right away. So I want to just go ahead and take this and put it onto my desktop. Then I'm going to open this folder, I should say. I'm going to open this folder. Now in here, I should have a folder called projects. And this career project is the project folder that we're going to be working in. We do not want to work on it in here. So I'm going to copy this. So right click, copy. I'm going to go back to the desktop, go into my projects folder, and I will paste. I'm not going to worry about this other folder. If it bothers me, I can just create a new folder and just call it something like stuff. And then, come back and name it later. I'll take the CSS file and these guys and just drop them into this stuff folder. I'm just getting it out of the way. No big deal. If you don't have anything in your projects folder, then all you have to do is just copy career project into your projects folder. And this is where we're going to go in here and manipulate all of our stuff. So you can see in career project, we have the CSS folder, we have an images folder, and we have a scripts folder. Images, these are some basic images that are in the template HTML. I don't know why there's a template HTML here, but there shouldn't be. Deletes. Okay. So we'll just get rid of that one. It shouldn't be in images. It should just be out here, template. So if you have that, if you look in here and you go, hey, I have something other than style CSS, probably need to get rid of it. Images, these are fine. And then scripts, that's fine. And then last but not least, we have this template. Okay. So I can right click on this item and say open with code, which is our Visual Studio Code. And then Visual Studio will open up. So there's a bunch of stuff in here, most of which you're not going to need to worry about. So like this nav pathway, I can use this arrow to collapse it so it's not in my face. Same thing with this nav internal. We'll talk about internal links later this week, but you can just do that for now. So there's lots of little pieces of information in here where it says put your information here. That's where like your career title would go here. So for me, that would be user experience designer. For you, it might be something else. Content, I would put your name here. So who's the author? You are. You're the author of your page. And then so on and so forth. So just kind of go through this process by your name goes here. That would be you. Your career name goes here. Go. Yep, just like that. Hero image is a large exemplary image of your career. So for me, that was this beautiful user experience thing. For you, it might be something else. Oh, now that we have this template HTML open, we can go ahead and do this. Open a folder. What we want to do is open the career project folder. Select that folder. say that you trust because it's you or it's me. And this creates a workspace for you. File, save, workspace. We'll just save it. And what a workspace does is it connects all the different folders and all the different items in them. So if I go back to template HTML and I want to change the image, right? This hero image. If I get rid of hero images, it should. If I click on images and I just start typing Hal, you can see started typing it, it knows the images that are in my folder. And then I can literally just click on that and it'll connect to that image there. So if I type H, we can do hero image or horizontal, doesn't really matter. But hero image is where we started. And you're going to go through each of these items and put in your paragraphs for each of these items in your career paper. Put in as many as you need, right? Yes. Intro, education, etc., etc. All right. If you have any questions about this, let me know.